Hello, DJ Sam here for a quick video. These are my DJ Pioneer speakers. I've got a pair of these and I paid 75 quid used, which is not bad. These sell between 100 to 150 quid brand new. I was going to get the Mackie C's, but then I realised, well, these are more expensive, so surely they'll be better. So I went and paid a little bit more, and I'm glad that I did. Now, I'd like to hear the Mackie C's in person, so I can like compare it. But at the minute, these are great. So let's do you a demo.
So let me catch you, so let me catch you slipping by. Why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught up in these lonely nights? Oh, why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught in these lonely
So as you can hear, that sounds pretty damn good. And I tell you something, that's turned up all the way, and there's not even a single slight bit of distortion. That is what's really cool about it. You could buy like an old amplifier with a pair of speakers and you couldn't even turn them all the way up. They would distort. And with amplifier stuff as well, you need to really crank it up to get a good, like a good volume to sound better. But these ones, I believe that I can just leave them on a little bit of volume and still sound really good, and I think these are great. And now, those who have got these, or those who are thinking of getting these, this is actually the left speaker, and the other one is the right speaker. I made a mistake, but I like having it here so that I can just twiddle the knob and I can have the headphone socket there, so I can plug the headphones in to edit. So I thought, well, edit's the wrong way, and I can't really tell a difference between left and right. I don't know if if people can, but to be honest with you, nah. So yeah, so if you do prefer having it closer to you rather than over there, because I'd have to then stretch over there just to twiddle things around, and I'd rather just have it at my disposal. But yeah, this is my Pioneer speakers, and that's basically all I have for you. These are my LED strips that I bought really cheap. Came with an LED panel, and it's really cool because I can change different things. It goes to auto. I can press that, and what that does is it goes through all the different presets. And then I've got flash, which is like that. I can turn it up and down. I've got fade, which I quite like, but my favorite one is jump, and I like to slow the jump down. I do want to mention though, over time, this does get a bit weird though, because you press blue and it goes blue. But we press this one, it's supposed to be like pink, and then it goes yellow. But then the weird thing is, I'm getting like where this yellow is here. I get pink, I get darker pink, even darker. And look, the heck, and then I get a red. So it's dead weird, like how it works, and you can dim it, you can brighten it up, but it's so dim because it's like, you know, and that's supposed to be like a blue, and it's actually a green. So yeah, the thing is just not working now, and that when I press green, it's blue. So yeah, it's kind of stupid. The white though is on, and I quite like that because it's not like a genuine white. It's like it's a different type of white because it's all in, and I actually stripped it across here as well. It doesn't actually stick very well to this bit here because it's got like some material on it, but it will stick to here. I'll show you on eBay actually. Hold on. Where where I got these from? Okay, and they came within a few days, and it's absolutely great. But like I said, I got these for like I think I paid like 15 quid, and they have gone a bit cuckoo, I tell you. um, oh, that's the watch list. Okay, listings. Oops. Even I'm. What the heck? What the heck, boy? Purchase history. There we go. So yeah, that's what I bought. That's the company that sold them. Sold them to me 14, so just under 15 quid. And it does work okay, but like I think it's because the wire got pulled a little bit where it connects to, and I think it just got a bit yeah. And that's the Pioneer ones, 75 quid. I mean, you cannot really grumble and complain. There's a little bit of damage on the back, but it's it's one of them things where you think, oh yeah, that's gonna be fine. There's no damage, not really, a big damage or anything like that, but it's absolutely great. These are cheap, easy to use. You set them up, plug and play. I've actually got there's two inputs on the back. So what I've done is I plug one in that goes from one end to the TV, so jack to jack, and then another one goes from RCA to the back of the PC in that one. So I decided just to plug that right into it, even though I could have just, with it being HDMI, I could have just gotten away with actually just using it through that. But I thought it'd be nice to have two separate audios, because then if I'm on this laptop here playing a game, I can then switch it over, because now I can just press a button on here and switch over, and then the audio is then on there as well, so I can play stuff on the other computer and have this on at the same time, so if I wanted to. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is just a quick one, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers. Bye bye.